Hello everyone, I wanted to connect with you in a audio manner this week for our announcement in 4100. I wanted to let all of you know that I've had significant challenges this week with internet access, some issues with IP addresses, and a number of other complications. I've been working with Weber as well as Kaysville, where I live, to resolve the issues. For most of the week, Tuesday through Thursday, I was only able to grade on my phone because of the ability to have roaming data, which made grading very difficult. I was only able to grade the discussions and very short postings. So long story short, I have not yet graded your annotated bibliographies that were due on the 21st. So I will be working on those starting this weekend, and I hopefully should have them done in a couple of days. But I also wanted to let you know that because of the difficulty in this course, that I went ahead for the discussion that was due yesterday, the initial post for Unit B, that I have given everybody free points for reapplies. So that discussion from your perspective is completed. You don't need to do anything further other than to just quickly browse your peer postings, just so you have that information, since each of you talked about different theories and models. So I appreciate you doing that. I will be able also to grade the clinical decision-making activity for Unit B as well, and I promise that I will be able to get caught up on the grading for this course. This has been the most difficult to grade because there are longer assignments due. So please bear with me, be patient. I have never had a circumstance like this, but of course we've never had a 2020 year in any previous years with the similar circumstances and unprecedented challenges. So please let me know if you are having any difficulty in the course. I am here to help you. What I wanted to do was then kind of just look ahead. So in October, we don't have anything due now until your education plan, which is due October 19th. And then you'll have, we have our synchronous meeting down towards the end of the month on Wednesday, the 28th, and again that will either be at 3 p.m. or 8 p.m. depending which time you're able to attend. What I'd like to plan for that meeting is to have you all talk a little bit about your education plan briefly in whichever section of the virtual time you attend, and then also again moving forward just to the November calendar. We're coming up to the genetics PowerPoint assignment and the caregiver advocacy paper. So I feel like probably because the caregiver paper is due on November 9th, that there may be some of you that would be able to also share just a couple of insights that you gained in the process of doing your interview and finding a little bit more about caregiving. So if you would plan to be ready to discuss either one of those topics when we meet. I don't want to put anybody on the spot, but would like to have some conversation as this is a virtual class meeting and would be like something we might do on campus as far as presentations and discussions. So I'm going to go here to our dashboard and check into our course. And we now are starting the Unit C module, which is entitled Coping with Complex Conditions. What I typically do in my classes is I move the most current unit to the top, and then as you scroll down below that, you can see there's Unit B and Unit A in case you have to refer back to that. And so we do have a couple things due. The education plan, which is the end of Unit B, and that again is due on October 19th. So currently you're sort of finishing Unit B and starting Unit C. So we'll be looking at complex conditions as well as the complex role of the registered nurse related to that over the next few weeks. Anyway, I very much appreciate each of you and your patience. I will look to see if there's any other potential adjustments in the course that might benefit both you and I if we continue to have access to internet and computer types of issues. But for now, I think giving you the free points and no reply for the current Unit B discussion is probably the very best. So I appreciate each of you. You're doing a great job in the course. I would like you to let me know if there's anything you need, and I hope that you have a good weekend as we start really the official beginning of fall. And as you can see, I'm a little casual today because it's Saturday, but I also am enjoying the cooler weather and wearing a sweatshirt again. Take care. I think you're great. Let me know if you need anything.